Now that we all have a lot more electronic type of equipment inside of our house, we need to be a little bit more concerned about surges, electrical surges. And back in August, I got a call from a customer about a lightning strike. Lightning had hit her house or somewhere around her house and caused a lot of different things to blow out, like her microwave and her garage door opener. And she was wondering if there's any type of protection. And in my research, what I'm finding is we're all going to have to start to consider a whole house surge arrestor. And this device would tend to dissipate that surge of energy to help protect your computers, all these different electronic equipment that you have in your house. And what it does, it simply replaces a couple 20-amp breakers. You get the type that's compatible with your box, and there's a couple different varieties. You can still use the same 20-amp breakers once this is installed, but inside that special breaker, and they cost about $80, has the special surge suppressor material in there. It's a metal oxide of some sort. And there's also types that they make for fuse boxes too. And I think as we move into the new millennium and we all have all these digital clocks and things like that, we're going to want to all put one of these on our home. So it's something that you want to put on your list of to-dos around the house to protect yourself as we move on into the high-tech, high-touch age. Keep these ideas in mind and you'll be safe from Mother Nature. For the News Beat today, I'm Dale Cranston.
Well, it is an unusual way to celebrate the spooky